Hi! In front of me is HAFURY GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll down to access Security. Then tap on Face Unlock under Screen Lock and tap on Enroll Face. Now you need to enter your current login method, read the instructions and tap on Start Enroll. Then read all of those steps and click on OK. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can adjust all of those options however you wish to by tapping on the switchers next to the chosen ones. So finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you want to delete it, you can always do that by choosing Delete Face Information at the top in Face Unlock section and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!